The real thing, huh? I take it it's a real thing. They're all real.
I believe it is, but they don't.
It's a replica. Oh, it's a replica. Yeah. I was wondering how many of those. The P-51 is probably the real thing.
Most of the planes here are genuine.
Yeah. Oh, that's a massive engine. Oh, there. This is the plane I love the best from over here, the P-38 Lightning.
Oh yeah.
The fork-tailed devil.
Now, from what I call is, I'm seeing your model collection.
Mm-hmm.
The only things I remember were World War I. You did build World War II planes?
I do, but most of the ones I've been building now since I got back into it are World War I. I've got one of these in a box waiting to be built. The monogram. No, not monogram, Tamiya. I had a monogram.
No, I think you can stand in the middle of the plane here.
Oh yeah. How about that?
So what would this be for?
That was a ladder to climb up, yeah. Mm-hmm. And then it retracted, yeah. If I remember correctly, I could be wrong. Looks like they've got a 0 over there. Is that a 0 or is that a? It's a different one. The Oscar, the Frank, whatever we had.
Yeah, I forget what it
Yeah.
was.
Oh God, there's a P-47. The Jug. Oh, I got to get the view here, and I got to get the good view of the P-38. .450 calibers, and then a 20 millimeter. Yeah, there's the 20 millimeter right in the middle there. That looks like a Messerschmitt, a BF-109 over there.
Yeah.
I wonder if that's
I'm going to build this thing.
same place. But this looks like it's got the, it doesn't have the span, it's got the lower engine in it, you know. The,
Well, look at that. I think
it's a,
might have an American engine or is it an Allison?
let's see. It's upside, it's the proper way with the lower, because it was an inverted engine. They, this is a Spanish built, but what type of engine does it have? Oh,
Yeah, Allison.
it's got an Alice, yeah. It's converted, so it doesn't have the Spanish built one actually had the engine, and that's what they used in the Battle of Britain. They had the engine, the ones that was used for the Spanish, and the exhausts were up higher because it wasn't an inverted. And this is what, the A-26? Yeah. I still know my planes.
I know the fighters pretty well. I don't know
Yeah. Let's see, I gotta,
this one I keep forgetting where it is.
well, we'll find out. This is either, I'm gonna say it's an Oscar or a Frank. We just have to find the, where's the card for it? Over here?
On the back, yeah.
Came around.
This thing is so small for a jet. Oh, it's an Oscar.
It's an Oscar. All right. I think that was my first guess. Nakajima. KI 43.